Where are you people? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, stop. Stop. Stop, okay? No fighting. Stop. 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 I said stop, okay? Stop. Ming, stop. Stop. Ming. Stop. 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 I said stop fighting. Stop. Stop fighting. Stop. 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 No more fighting. No. Pag-away. Oh. Stop. 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 Shh. 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 Stop. Stop. Bad cat. Babe. Babe. Behave. Behave. Oy, paano? Behave, okay? Behave. Babe. Babe. Pepper, stop, Pepper. Stop. Stop. Come here. Come here. Stop. Said stop. 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 Oh, ups. You are such a menace. Said stop. Okay? No more fighting. No more fighting. No more. No more. No more. Ouch. Said no more fighting. Inawan nga kita. No more fighting. No more. No more fighting. Behave. And you behave. No more fighting. Okay? So don't fight. You listen to me. Don't fight. Sa Tagalog, Huwag kayo mag-away. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? No more fighting, okay? See? This little mustache. No more fighting. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. But you're so pugnacious. Okay? Are you a pug? No, right? Stop being war freaked. War freak. Shh. Behave. No fighting. Behave. The two of you behave. No. You're attacking me. Okay, stop. No more. Babe. You're both bored, aren't you both? Are you bored? Both of you are bored? Okay. So, Pepper or Pip is bored. Are you bored? Are you bored? Pepper? Oh, you're back. God damn it. Okay, so these are both boys. Okay, they're not fighting. They like each other, but they're just both bored and they just want to play. Okay, because of their menace. See this one. So look at, you're injured. Stop fighting. So the big one is hurt from the small cat. Okay, so our big cat, Ming, is very careful when playing with Pip, the small one. So he doesn't really hurt this small cat. Doesn't have any injury at all. But Ming, the big cat, has a lot of injuries. As you can see at on his ears. I did actually put betadine there. And also behind his ears, there's a lot of scratches. Poor cat. But he doesn't really mind at all. See, they just so have a lot of energy. They have lots of energy.